Hi dears, welcome to my channel. Today in my kitchen I've made pretty and scrumptious blackcurrant ice cream. For tasty and easy recipe, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Let's start. Take 2 tablespoons of black raisins, soak it in a water. If you don't have, then you can skip it. Here I've taken seedless black grapes. For the measurement I am showing, you can take from 500 to 550 gram of black grapes. To clean the grapes, I am adding baking soda, but you can use white vinegar. But keep it for 10 to 15 minutes, then wash it again. Take a blender or a mixie jar and crush the grapes. Don't add any water, coarsely grind it. When I measured in a 250 ml cup, I got 2 cups full of crushed grapes. Add this into a pan. Then add half cup of sugar. Mix well and reduce it till you get that semi-thick consistency. Don't dry the water completely. This will make the mixture thick. So little amount of water will give that smooth texture. Most of the water is evaporated and let it cool down completely. This is the texture you have to get after it is cooled down. In a bowl, I am adding 200 ml of whipping cream, that is 1 cup of whipping cream. Take a chilled whipping cream. Keep the electric blender speed in 1, then beat it till the stiff peak. When you invert the ball, the cream will not fall. This is the consistency you need. And then add half cup of condensed milk. You can use the spatula or a blender to mix. Grape crush is completely cooled down. Now add this into a whipping cream mixture gradually. Then add the black raisins soaked. I'm adding this ice cream mix in a small cake tin. To make it look a little bit pretty, I'm adding grape crush. Use a stick or a backside of a spoon to move clockwise and anti-clockwise. This will create a good design. Add few raisins for decor, then cover it with a lid or a cling wrap. Then keep it in a refrigerator for overnight or 8 hours. If you like my video, please consider to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.